Math used in golf. Golf, a sport of precision, strategy, and skill, relies heavily on mathematical principles to calculate shots, optimize techniques, and analyze performance. Let's explore the role of math in golf. Golf uses math in trajectory and distance. Calculations involving angles, initial velocity, and air resistance determine the ball's trajectory and distance, ensuring accurate shots. Force and momentum. Players analyze the force of their swing and the momentum imparted to the ball to achieve the desired shot placement. Slope and elevation. Navigating the course involves calculating slopes and elevation changes, which impact the ball's trajectory and speed. Game statistics. Metrics like putting accuracy, driving distance, and scoring averages rely on data analysis to evaluate player performance and strategy. Club selection. The choice of club involves understanding its loft angle and swing dynamics, which are analyzed using mathematical models for optimal shot execution. Mathematical principles applied, geometry for trajectory and course navigation, physics for force and momentum, data analysis for player performance. Math in golf combines precision and strategy, turning every swing into a calculated masterpiece.